Welcome, my name is Natori Kaiten. I'll be showing you how to make a dashed fake driver. So of course you're gonna need a fake driver, so you get that from AliExpress or anywhere else. I got mine from AliExpress. After that, you should probably get one of these springs. The dimensions I'll put in the description. Also got that from AliExpress. See, first off you do is you take off the screws, replace the spring, put in the new one, and just put the cap back on. Alright, then go ahead and screw in all the screws back in. Shouldn't take too long. I will warn you that since it's a new reinforced spring, it could damage the driver, of course, so just be aware about that. You can see here how it's pretty hard to push down. Here's a comparison of each driver I had. You can hear the clicks from this modded one. How it's stronger and louder. And you see, the modded one is even higher. Here's a bonus one. This mod always depends on the driver you put it on too. I found out that putting on this Unite one actually makes it go higher. Thanks for watching.